Okay, let's do a power chord based upon the A shape. Alright, normally most people would play the A like this. Okay, it's a little difficult for me because my fingers are thick. So, to do the power chord A, what you're going to play is these three strings. The A, the D, and the G. So, you're going to take your pointer finger and cover, let the A ring out, and you're going to cover the 2nd fret D and the 2nd fret G. That's your basic A power chord. Now, to bring it up the neck, you're going to have to change, and you're going to have to use an alternate fingering. So you're going to use 3 and 4. 3 goes on the D string 2nd fret, 4 goes on the G string 2nd fret, and you got to get ready to use your bar, pointer finger. So here's the same chord. Now I'm going to move it up 3 frets. Put the bar down. Move it up 2 more frets. 2 more frets. So these power chords, you have A. On the 3rd fret, it becomes C. On the 5th fret, it's D. And on the 7th fret, it's E. So again, these are power chords. They don't contain one of the notes of each chord. They're limited or abbreviated. So on the A, rather than having this, all you have is this. But what that gives you is sorry, I was ringing another string there for a second. But you got to try to do 3 strings. Again, these occur all over the neck, wherever you could reach. If you came all the way up here, there's another A, just like this one. Here's a high one. G, F sharp, F, E. Wherever your fingers can fit, if you could fit fingers up here, which I can't, but I would do it this way. If you can get a bend in that knuckle of your ring finger, you're good to go, and then you can play these chords with one finger. So I would be doing it actually, I wouldn't even do this. I would be going so if you want, you can do it with 2 fingers like this. Or if you can handle it and your knuckle joint will give it to you, you can do it with 1 finger.